Hi, I'm Mara Dinsmoor, and I live in Wilmette, and I'm a solar ambassador with ISEA. Today, I'm going to share my solar story with you and show you some of the important components of my solar system. I have been interested in solar power for many years because, well, the sun is a huge source of energy, and it's literally going to waste. I have long had an interest in nature and animals, and decreasing my impact on the planet, as well as making it a better place for current and future generations. I also felt like it was just the right thing to do, even if it didn't make total financial sense at my age. However, until recently, I knew my house was not a good candidate because of a number of large trees on or near my property. A few years ago, I lost a large tree that shaded my garage. So in 2021, I did the Go Green Wilmette solar tour with the hope that now I had enough sun exposure to make it worth my while. To make a long story short, 2 of the 3 companies I consulted said I still had too much shade. Fast forward 6 or 9 months, and one of those naysayer companies contacted me to ask if I was still interested in solar. Apparently, due to advances in technology, my house was now a good candidate. So I got my 3 estimates from the original optimistic company, the newly optimistic company, and one other. I ended up hiring CertaSun due to their competitive pricing, their highly rated panels and microinverters, and how they made the process so easy. It does take some time, what with village permitting, engineering, and inspections. So from signing the contract to go live was 7 months, much longer than I anticipated. My panels were installed in February of 2023. I now have 25 panels on my garage and house, which are projected to provide just over 100% of my electrical needs, approximately 9,700 kilowatt hours per year. I have an electric plug-in hybrid car, but no other special electrical needs. The cost of the system was $37,000, but my out-of-pocket cost was $18,000 due to the Illinois Shines program and the projected federal tax credit. Now let's go take a look at my solar system. These are the panels on my garage roof that face east and west. The panels on the east part of my home's roof are not visible from the street. I wish I could show you a picture of them, but obviously I can't. Here is a ground level view of my panels on my garage so you can see how little they stick up from the garage surface. Probably my favorite part of having solar power is the My Sun Power app, which I can check as often as I want to, which is at least daily, if not several times a day, that shows me how much power I'm generating from my panels and how much my house is using, which gives me reinforcement about my decision to go solar. I will try to include screenshots of that in this presentation if I can figure out how to do so. Thanks. The wires come up from inside the garage to here, and then there's also a trench that was dug through my rain garden over towards here and back this way, where it is joined by the wires from the panels on the east side of my roof. Sorry, I don't know the technical terms. And here along the east side of the house is another place with a rapid shutdown. And where the wires come down from the panels on the east side of the house. Okay, that's the end of the tour. I hope it answered any questions you may have about what a solar array looks like. If you have any other questions, the Illinois Solar Education website has a lot of resources. Visit them at www.illinoissolar.org.